Welcome to Mighty Machines, where innovation meets plumbing precision. Get ready to explore 15 groundbreaking tools that are transforming the trade. From pipe cutters to press-fit systems, we've got it all. Let's dive in. Meet the Rodrum M&L pipe cleaning machine, a powerhouse designed to tackle stubborn pipe blockages with precision and ease. With the Rodrum M&L, experience a blend of power, adaptability, and user-friendly design in pipe cleaning technology. As the machine operates, notice how the spiral navigates through the pipe, breaking down obstructions and restoring optimal flow. Equipped with an automatic forward and reverse spiral feed, it efficiently clears pipes ranging from 70 mm to 250 mm in diameter. The interchangeable drum system allows for quick, tool-free adjustments to accommodate various pipe sizes, enhancing versatility on the job. The Kaka Industrial PN-1/2A is a compact aluminum frame pipe notcher designed for precision and versatility. Its 0 to 45 degrees adjustable angle feature, complemented by a built-in protractor gauge, ensures precise cuts for various fabrication needs. The swivel base and adjustable pipe holder allow for easy compound angle cuts, making it an indispensable tool for electricians, plumbers, and mechanics. Watch as the PN-1/2A delivers smooth, consistent notches. The NARAD tools. Jet Sweat is a specialized plumbing tool designed to temporarily isolate water flow in pipes, allowing for maintenance tasks such as valve removal, refitting, or soldering without draining the entire system. It utilizes a unique EPDM/silicone composite gasket capable of withstanding the intense heat of soldering and brazing, ensuring a secure seal even under high temperatures. The tool can hold up to 75 psi of water pressure, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications. The HoleMaster hole drilling tool is a precision-engineered device designed to drill clean, perpendicular holes in pipes up to 4 inches in diameter. Its quick-change, interchangeable hole guides and 4 leveling vials ensure accurate alignment, even in challenging positions like ladders or tight spaces. Weighing 31% less than comparable models, it reduces user fatigue and enhances maneuverability. Ideal for installing water flow detectors, mechanical tees, and weldolets, the HoleMaster streamlines the drilling process, making it faster and more efficient. Introducing the NeoFlow Pressure Regulating Valve by GF Piping Systems, a lightweight polymer-based solution engineered for precise water pressure control. Its axial flow design ensures stable flow even at minimal differentials, enhancing system efficiency. Weighing up to 9 times less than traditional metal valves and requiring 40% less installation time, NeoFlow simplifies setup and reduces maintenance. Ideal for modern water networks aiming to minimize leaks and prolong infrastructure lifespan. Experience the synergy of innovation and efficiency with Ultraflex power technologies and Peshtan's fluid therm system. Utilizing advanced induction heating, Ultraflex ensures precise and uniform heating of PPR materials, streamlining the production of high-quality fluid therm pipes. This technology enhances energy efficiency and reduces production time, delivering durable, leak-proof piping solutions suitable for both residential and industrial applications. Witness how cutting-edge induction heating transforms raw materials into reliable piping systems, setting new standards in fluid transport technology. Proto One Manufacturing, a robust solution for precision tube fabrication. Designed to handle tubes from 1.5 inches to 6.0 inches in diameter. Notably, the RFM6 supports 1-inch aero bead tooling, ensuring consistent and high-quality bead formations essential for aerospace and automotive applications. Need to repair a pipe without shutting off the entire water supply? The Arctic Haze Aero Pipe Freeze Kit is your go-to solution. This innovative tool creates a temporary ice plug inside the pipe, allowing you to perform maintenance or repairs without draining the system. Simply attach the freeze jacket, apply the aerosol, and within minutes, the pipe is frozen solid, ready for work. Ideal for copper, steel, lead, iron, and plastic pipes, this kit is perfect for quick fixes and emergency repairs. When every second counts, the VPG Rapid Response Clamp delivers. Engineered for swift emergency pipe repairs, this clamp installs in under 60 seconds. No tools, no hassle. Its marine-grade stainless steel body and double-lip seal ensure a secure fit across various pipe materials, from steel to PVC. Originally designed for naval vessels, it's now trusted across industries like oil and gas, mining, and maritime. Streamline your plumbing installations with HoldRite PEX brackets, the professional's choice for secure and efficient PEX tubing support. Designed to reduce in-wall fittings and concealed joints, these brackets ensure a clean, code-compliant finish while protecting stub-outs from damage. Compatible with all PEX manufacturers, HoldRite's galvanized steel brackets and nylon inserts offer quick, torch-free installations, saving time and enhancing job site safety. Whether it's in-wall or in-slab applications, trust HoldRite to deliver reliable support and a polished look every time. Introducing the Populo 25 Cordless Electric Drain Auger, your ultimate solution for clearing clogs in toilets, sewers, bathtubs, and kitchen sinks. This powerful tool features a 25-foot reinforced flexible cable, capable of navigating through complex pipe structures to eliminate blockages effectively. With its auto-feed technology, the auger advances and retracts the cable smoothly, minimizing manual effort and mess. The variable speed control allows for precise operation, while the built-in LED work light enhances visibility in dark work areas. Lightweight and cordless, it's designed for both professional plumbers and DIY enthusiasts seeking efficiency and convenience. Introducing the Flange Hog 110 by Esco Tool, a compact manually operated flange facer designed to restore damaged gasket surfaces to like-new condition. Ideal for on-site maintenance and fabrication shops, this tool eliminates the need to cut and replace flanges, saving both time and resources. Mounting is straightforward. The proprietary ID clamping system secures the tool within the flange bore, accommodating sizes from 0.9 inches to 10.3 inches ID and facing diameters up to 14 inches OD. Once in place, the worm gear drive and lead screw enable smooth, precise facing, delivering a phonographic finish that meets ASME-B 16.5 standards. Equipped with double-sided cutting bits, the Flange Hog 110 handles materials like carbon steel, stainless steel, and cast iron with ease. Its lightweight design and sturdy carrying case make it highly portable, ensuring you're ready for any flange repair task. Meet the Riexinger BSM 1200, a precision electric band saw engineered for cutting plastic pipes ranging from U400 to U1200 millimeters. Its automatic pipe detection and laser-guided cutting ensure clean, accurate cuts every time. With a swiveling saw frame offering -45 degrees to +45 degrees cuts, it's perfect for creating T-pieces and segment bends. Meet the Riexinger BSM 1200, a precision electric band saw engineered for cutting plastic pipes ranging from U400 to U1200 millimeters. Its automatic pipe detection and laser-guided cutting ensure clean, accurate cuts every time. With a swiveling saw frame offering -45 degrees to +45 degrees cuts, it's perfect for creating T-pieces and segment bends. Mark the insertion depth on the pipe using a depth gauge. Insert the pipe into the Santa press, fitting up to the marked depth. Press the connection using a compatible press tool with S, A, V, or M profiles. The push and stay function ensures the fitting securely grips the pipe, preventing slippage during installation. Additionally, the leak path feature allows for easy identification of unpressed connections, enhancing safety and reliability. With a wide range of fittings and sizes, the Santa press system provides a versatile and efficient solution for modern piping installations. Introducing Combi Press, the smart solution for faster, safer plumbing installations. This innovative press fitting system eliminates the need for soldering, offering a flame-free, time-saving alternative. With Combi Press, simply cut and deburr the pipe, insert it into the fitting, and press using a compatible tool. The result? A secure, leak-proof connection in seconds. Designed for versatility, Combi Press is suitable for various applications. Introducing TubeMax PYPLOK, the revolutionary cold-swagged fitting system that delivers permanent, leak-free connections without the need for welding or threading. Using a portable hydraulic tool, PYPLOK fittings are compressed onto the pipe in seconds, eliminating hot work permits and reducing installation time by up to 65%. Ideal for high-pressure systems up to 9,300 psi, PYPLOK is certified by ABS, DNV, and the U.S. Coast Guard, making it perfect for marine, offshore, and industrial applications. Thanks for watching Mighty Machines. If you enjoyed this showcase of cutting-edge plumbing tools, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Stay tuned for our next deep dive into the world of powerful machines.